Today I'm making a quick and easy fruit snack, perfect for lunch boxes or anytime you or your kids want something sweet. I'll be showing you 3 different flavors, and they all start with a soft tortilla wrap. First, I'm taking a banana and roll it gently to straighten it a bit. It's not necessary, but it helps to fit it into the wrap. I'm gonna cut off the sides of the tortilla. Then I'm spreading peanut butter evenly over the tortilla. Sprinkle some crushed nuts for extra crunch. Place the banana at one end and roll it up tightly. Now you want to place it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps everything firm up so they slice nicely. For the second roll, I'm making a quick homemade chocolate spread. For this, I'm using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cacao powder. Mix it until smooth and spread it all over your tortilla. Now place strawberries in a line and roll it up gently, just like sushi. And put it in the fridge. For the third roll, I'm going to cut a piece of apple to really thin slices. Spread cream cheese over the tortilla. Then sprinkle some cinnamon. A few raisins. And finally the apple. Roll it up tightly and off to the fridge. Once chilled, cut its roll into bite-sized pieces. Here I didn't cut the sides of the tortilla before, so I cut it now in order to have nice looking rolls. These are a great way for your kids to eat their fruit and a great healthier alternative to cater for your sweet tooth. If you like easy recipes like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments which combo would you try first. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.